Back again. I'm a weeny bit drunk right now. I've had 2 beers, but we've got to get in one a day with the random backtesting videos. So this is 2021. 2021, June 2021, week 3. June 2021, week 3. June 2021, week 3. June 3, week. Booyah. Let's freaking go. I've only got like maybe 45 minutes before I need to go. It's bloody tipping it down outside. I've got to go to my friend's house. Are we at all-time highs? Yep. Uh, doesn't help me too much. We are just bullish, aren't we? Got like an S&T at the steady high. Hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. A major S&T there, so maybe I'm bearish. We're just coming a daily gap already on ES, and that's a Monday. Wait, is it a Monday? Am I even at the New York session right now? Okay, we bounced out of that daily gap, and I'm now bullish. Oh, fuck off. The 4 hour, ooh, just coming to this 4 hour here. Kind of between just these two here, and whichever one gets taken first. I don't know actually. Uh, let's just see about this. That's been inversed, that 15 minute. Haven't even come into a 15 minute on ES. What have we got as bullish draws? We haven't hit the 4 hour yet. So that's a nice little draw. We've got an unfilled hourly here. I hit it with the box tool. Let's get into the session. There we go. Ooh, Judas swing. Yeah, no chance of getting him, man. Can't lie. An hourly here. Haven't hit any high time frame level. Just swept sell side, which is these lows. Inversed all these, but yeah, we have an S&T at these lows, but yeah, I'm not willing to long here. That's a bit better. I would long out of this 15 minute fair value gap though. Maybe not. Run straight through it. Okay, man. Jesus. You get it, we're bearish. Um, see how we react off this 50% level if we go straight through it. I think we can probably determine that we're going to the external low. Don't we do wicket? It's not the worst. I'll say it's not the worst met long, but we didn't get an S&T there. So I'm not really too bothered about that. Right, this is a mech short, isn't even that good, or just a short in general. That was would. I don't know. I don't like this short. Yeah, I think that's pretty obvious we're going to come up there. Just from how we reacted off the 50% level, this first presented hourly, we're now expecting this bearish, bullish hourly. We have an S&T at this bullish hourly as well, massive S&T. We're in a 4 hour on yes, though. We still expect it to come up, I think. There is an hourly at 50% of this level. That's a good draw, in my opinion. Can we get like a 5 minute continuation here? We'll see. Okay, we've inversed the 5 minute here, but taking a 5 minute inverse here would have a major stop loss. So I'm maybe hoping for like some sort of retrace this 5 minute, and then we can long out of there. Okay, to me it looks like we've edged that high completely. Like if we take that, then that's a really good mech. We're so close to that high. I don't think I'd take that, but that is a good mech. Got accumulation, manipulation, Wednesday manipulation. Here we have 10 AM manipulation, which is really nice. We've obviously come into this hourly gap, which aligns with 50% of the 4 hour, was it? Yeah, I think so. And we've got a great break-even point with a 5 minute intermediate low. We just don't take that hourly, which is really frustrating. Like this is an amazing position here. Stops here. We've got a rejection wick as well. 1 to 1. This will play out. But we don't take that high, which is quite worrying. And within a minute of us like being close to that high and us not taking it, I'll probably be like, oh, I'm unsure. So that's essentially why. But that was a really good trade. We just didn't get that tap that we wanted. It's unfortunate, but it's what it is. Wow. I'm just so surprised how we haven't come up to this. I don't really want a long now. The long seems just a bit weird for me. Also got a 2 minute here, which we haven't inversed yet. So wait to see what this 2 minute candle does. We do push up further. 4 minute intermediate high, we can go break even as well. Maybe I'll give this a go. With an S&T at the low. Don't really respect this 50% level, which is annoying. But maybe we get some sort of 1 to 1. Stops, a bit slow. 1 to 1. I don't mind this. Like, if we taken out the straw, this long is stupid, but we've edged it. And we're kind of just ranging the 4 hour on the S. It seems to me we're bullish. There's no reason why we can't be a bit more bullish. This is like an iffy trade. I can see us losing the trade, but I'm fairly convinced on this draw from NQ. Yeah, like it really surprises me. On the hourly, it was still wicking out that 50% level. So I'm fairly strong. Yeah, I'm certain about this. Okay, there's my break even. There we go. Are we going to hit the draw? We do. Okay. I'm glad we did that, but I was just aiming for 1-to-1. I don't like how we rejected out of that area before, and we didn't come into. We were already in an hourly on yes. 1-to-1's fine. I do not mind that. Yes, one trade, one win. Next session. What have we done on the higher time frame? We are still bullish to all-time highs, which is this high here. Yeah, I forgot I was bullish to all-time highs as well. Working out of this 4 hour, respecting the 50% line. Looks like accumulation, some sort of remanipulation, then we could get some distribution down here. We haven't closed below this hourly, but I can still see us coming to this first presented hourly or even this 15-minute intermediate low forward bullish. If we inverse these, this low is not protected. I don't expect us to come towards it. This high looks pretty protected for now, but the same thing, like if we come up and inverse this gap, then I would expect us to come higher. Yeah. There is a bullish S&T here. I guess we've already taken previous day high, so it's also a bearish S&T. Maybe I'll play this one by ear. 30-minute. We're in just in between two fair value gaps right now, so can't really have a strong bias. If I had to pick one, I'll be more bearish. Wow. Okay, dude. No way I could predict that, right? Okay, so what I said before about this key level. Do kind of hold it. We don't get this external low yet. Mid-high. Expecting working that. And the 230 minutes. I don't know how we haven't come up. Looks like we're going to get a 5-minute inverse to the downside, which we do. ES is looking horrible. Again, like this low is taking out liquidity as well. Coming to this 15-minute gap. It's holding it up. Shorting here would be brave as well, so I'm just not going to do it. We have an S&T at the low already. I'm just kind of waiting for price to choose a side, or we could just range in between this low and this high for a bit. So that's not what we're doing. It's coming up to this high. Okay, we get that. External. Nothing internal to take at all. This just looks shockingly bad. And that is the entry there, unfortunately. And I'm not convinced about this whatsoever. What day is this? The 2nd of June, is it a bank holiday? I don't know. Come down from here. Could have got 1 to 1 at least. Yeah, this just doesn't look the cleanest. Just sharp. Low probability conditions. And it's after the end of the session as well, so that's nice. Again, we are completely bullish. Wicking these lows. I kind of only want to take longs today. Hourly intermediate. What about yes? Are we at all-time highs? No, we're not, but we've got an external target. We are also wicking the 50% line of this 4 hour. We've got a 4 hour rejection block. Do we? 1 hour rejection block, sorry. So my gut feeling right now is this low is protected. We've got relatively equal highs at this bullish, this bearish gap. Well, all that analysis for nothing. Okay. That 5 minutes crushing, dude. Now can we get a retrace of this 5 minute? I don't want it. I want it now. Just inverse the hourly or the 15 minute maybe? 15 minute, yeah. So I'm definitely expecting us to come towards this high. We've got London high here. If we want to use that. Yes, it's sitting in this hourly still. Is there an hourly here? Yeah, we still haven't inversed the hourly, so we'll have a look. We'll have a look. What is this SN2, man? I'm not going to take this, but this looks like it's going to play. Tape reader. Horrible plays as well. I'd rather take a long resweep this 5 minute. Do you resweep the 5 minute? Do we even get 30-second inverse? We don't. That's horrible. 15? It's a 15-second, but I mean, come on. We can wait for a 15 minute. We get more confirmation of the hourly close, perhaps. I don't like it. This is a really awkward position. It's expanding lower from this hourly. I think I'd rather wait for oh, there is no 15 minute now, is there? Still in the gap on the hourly. Oh, we wick 50% of this. Get a really strong V-shaped recovery, but it is just before 9 a.m. We have AMD. Maybe if ES took this low, I'll consider it. But I'm not taking this long. Um, um, that's going in the faded trades. Uh, Faded as third time entering 5 minutes. Yes, hasn't manipulated into anything. This looks months. 5 minutes before 10 a.m. However, did respect the cue of the 5 minutes really well and had good distribution. That was like a 50-50. Maybe I take that on eval, but not actual live accounts. Do we create a new 5 minute? We do, but like, that's all-time highs got there. That's our draw taken from us already. It's dumb as fuck. Yeah, I think that's the trade of the day, but we can do 15, 30 minute. And this 30 minute could maybe save us. So anything, only good liquidity draw out of anything. Did I screenshot that? I can't remember. Let's just do it again just in case. Don't rain me. Fuck that. Next session, we're going 15 minutes, so what have we got, like a day or two, depending how quick the trade's up. The hell is this? Oh, I'm expecting the ES to get this fucking high today. Better. Better do. I'm just owly. I can see us taking out this owly intermediate. And this. Are these equal lows as well? Oh, for sure we're coming down there. For sure. Come on, calm down so we can get long up. Please. No, wrong way, man. Wrong freaking way. Taking all-time highs now, yes. Let's see how well this 15-minute gap defends. Come on, come on, come on. No! Oh, this is one of those days, man. I'm not shorting all-time highs, man. No matter what. Oh wow, what a great session. Tiny win at 15. Is that really going to send us up? Is that really going to send us up? Screw that session. This is the Friday. It is. Well, this looks awfully peculiar. Still all-time highs. Somehow. Low resistance here. We'll take that overnight in Asia, but we're not going to take it during the session. My words. We've got 15-minute here. It's aligning with CPI. Looks like it. Some sort of CPI. Data high. Data low. One of these will be taken. Both. All-time highs and ES is actually pushing up a bit higher here. 15-minute gap here. Looks like when I get this data high or the external of the data high, I should also equalize. Oh, what thrilling price action this is. Well, tell you what, that short's all right. That short there was okay. We didn't really have anything. Went long here. Haha, that's what you're fucking long. There's an S&T at this high. This low is really protected on ES because it's taken out data high. And we're not just going to come down to the 15-minute intermediate low just to take that out, are we? Yeah. I didn't like it. I want to get a 5-minute gap so we can go lower, man. Can we take that out? Yep. Nothing internal to take out either, man. Yeah, this is just riding up there. Okay, we might be taking this out. Come on, get a 5-minute continuation here, man. Come on. What happens here, though? Is that 30-second in there? It's got to be the most obvious thing of all time. What are we acting out of? Nothing, I can't even take that. I'm acting out of a 1 minute. What am I doing? I was a good minute long. Is there a 5-minute here? No. 15? No. Jesus. Jesus. This has been a pooey week. Tell you, all-time highs. Trade frequency is so low because it's so protective. We just come into the 4 hour. Two-minute was the best entry. Major S&T. I just don't know how uncorrelated we are. Two, how this could pose a high resistance. Three, how the bottom of the 4 hour wick was this leg down, this manipulation leg. Four, it's an unsponsored 5-minute. Five, it's all-time highs and you're shorting. Those are why I wouldn't take this short. Go for Betsy. But it's respecting that 5 minutes so nice. Oh, that's the only thing. Just play. Yeah, only thing that was positive there was it's respecting 5 minutes. So, gosh damn nicely. However, could we get a long hit? What? Where's the 15-minute gone? 15-minute gap here. Highest time frame is 2 minutes. Oh man, I really want to take this. Can't see S coming up lower. Looks like it's ranging up into all-time highs. ES has come down into this low resistance liquidity, swept it once, reswept it, V-shaped recovery, 2-minute inverse, but we are in a 2-minute, which I just don't care about. So I'm going to go for it. I'm going to go for this 2-minute. It's the last trade of the session for me. Oh, that's embarrassing. Yeah. Okay. That is everything. That was a mech long, sweep, resweep. So SMT there. By golly, there was. We had the 50 or the 4-hour wick come down there. We had the 15-minute massive rejection wick. Tapped into that. Probably had a 5-minute rejection wick as well. We have everything. Break even point is the 15-minute. I don't really care about this 2-minute inverse. Like I care about this 2-minute inverse. Now we're so far up, I'm not expecting it to come down. But I mean, even if you took this stops 50% your wick, you probably would have won as well. All right, let's see if you would have won. Okay, it would have been break even. But that's why I wanted to get in so early. We also had a 1-minute change in the state. But if we didn't respect that 2-minute, then maybe I don't get in there. But yeah, I'm pretty happy. I'm pretty happy with that. Which was how many points? That's nothing. We are ripping back testing, boys. That's now 6 wins on the bounce, I believe. From the last 2 sessions, we haven't lost. Really nice 2 wins on this one. Faded another one, which would have been a dub as well, which is decent. I'm just loving back testing at the moment. I'm in flow state. Even though I've had a beer, I don't care. That is the week done as well. Perfect in 33 minutes. That was really quick. We had some really dodgy price action because we're at all-time highs. But other than that, we traded well. So, yippee ki yay, motherfucker.